Welcome to the Ultimate 10 Facts channel.
Google has included Balochi among over 100 languages in ever-growing intra-language translation platform. A YouTuber from Balochi-speaking is petitioning against Google Translate. Balochi language speakers from all over world feel that Balochi language should be included in Google Translation, as it will help them in many fields of life and it will promote and preserve their language. Chira Balak, a YouTuber from Balochi-speaking, started a petition for including the Balochi language in Google Translate. Chira took it up on Change.org, a prominent platform for petitioning, to voice out his concern. Chira stated that the Balochi language is spoken by almost 10 million native speakers, making it 0.15% of the world's population. Furthermore, he stated that the Balochi language is spoken in the regions of Iran, Pakistan, Afghanistan, southern Turkmenistan, Oman, India and Middle East countries. Balochi language speakers from all over world feel that Balochi language should be included in Google Translation, as it will help them in many fields of life and it will promote and preserve their language. As of date, the petition has over 15,000 signatures and is growing with time. Chira also mentioned the different dialects of the Balochi language, namely Eastham and Western dialects. Eastham dialect is influenced by Sindhi, including Sainki, and Pashto language, containing words from both the language, while the Western dialect is influenced by words from neighboring languages, such as Turkmen, Persian, Pashto, and Arabic. This is not the first time Chira Balak has done something towards his community. He is a YouTuber, artist and software developer and has created many projects catering to the Balak community. He, with his team at Balak Host, another one of his projects, developed WhatsApp stickers for Balak people. He held Balak Tech Vision, a software exhibition in Karachi, Pakistan, providing young Balak students with a platform to further their dreams. The event was a success that was attended by prominent Balak personalities, with Jayana Balak and famous Balochi poet Ishaq Kamish as stage secretaries. Chira is currently pursuing YouTube, making vlogs and hosting his show, The Chira Balak Show, which features different Balak talents from across all over the world.
For more Ultimate Facts, subscribe our channel.